The constant battleground room is at a sensor level. I will quickly deliver news about the Middle East war. A force of 3,500 U.S. Marines has arrived in the Middle East. Brigadier General Anderson, commander of the U.S. Marine Corps Reserve, sent a letter telling Marine reservists to check their readiness because an operation could begin soon. This letter warned that a large-scale mobilization could become a reality. It was a letter urging them to be prepared. The U.S. military told the Washington Post that they have been preparing ground operations in Iran for weeks. This is Tehran. A large-scale airstrike in Tehran has been confirmed. This is Tehran. This is footage taken right after the airstrike in Tehran. You can see that a significant part of the building has been destroyed. This is Bushehr. Bushehr residents reported the domestic terminal at Bushehr Airport was attacked tonight, possibly by a U.S. airstrike. This is Shiraz, Iran. The Iranian military released footage claiming to show a U.S. MQ-9 Reaper drone intercepted over Shiraz. Israeli forces attacked a 13,000 square meter reservoir in Iran's Khuzestan province. A large explosion was reported near Tanyako barracks, south of Isfahan. In Israel, anti-war protests involving about 1,200 people have occurred nationwide, though they are not large in scale. A large explosion occurred in the Beirut area of Lebanon. Israeli forces carried out an attack in the village of Tul in the Nabatea region of southern Lebanon. Intense attacks are occurring in Iraq's Erbil region. A drone attack targeted U.S. facilities in Erbil, Iraq, with several interceptions captured on video. This is Erbil, Iraq. A drone was detected at the U.S. consulate, triggering an experimental air defense system. The Houthi rebels continue attacking Israel, now launching a second missile. In response, the Israeli military stated that the Houthi rebels will pay the price for attacking Israel. Yesterday, there was an attack on Iran's airbase in Saudi Arabia. At that time, missile and drone attacks damaged several aerial refueling aircraft and injured 12 people. The E-3 Sentry airborne early warning aircraft was also confirmed damaged. Yesterday, the Iranian Revolutionary Guard claimed that they injured 500 U.S. soldiers stationed in the UAE. However, the Central Command immediately refuted this, stating that there were no cases of U.S. troops being attacked in the UAE. Israeli media reports say 70% of Iran's military-industrial facilities have stopped operating, and miners are reportedly being deployed to checkpoints in Iran while armed. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard said they will attack American universities in the Middle East in response to the attack on Tehran University of Science and Technology. In the Gulf region, there are campuses of Georgetown University and Northwestern University in Qatar. There is also a campus of New York University located in Abu Dhabi. The Syrian military stated that the 4 drones that flew in from Iraq yesterday were clearly an attack on Syrian territory, and that the Iraqi government should be held responsible for this. Crown Prince Reza Pahlavi told American conservatives he's ready to lead a transfer of power. If there are updates, I'll make and upload a video. That's all for now. Thank you.